What this is going to do is prevent the wig from wrinkling right here. Let's talk about what makes this so special. There is a drawstring at the back that allows you to do is draw it tighter so you won't have those wrinkles at the front. The same with lifting. You know how it lifts right here? That drawstring is going to prevent that as well. The size is gonna fit perfectly. No sliding and very secure. And the hairline is so natural. Everything is pre for you guys too, if you can see that. Pre-cut, everything. This wig is meant to be glueless, hence this right here. So let's just hop straight to it. So this is what we have directly on our head, guys. We have a good hairline. Let's go ahead and use one of the clips that they sent us. Us is a me. I can't see, of course, so this is what we have. Hope it's in focus. You take the string and you pull it to make everything snug. And then with the string, you just tuck it under. Oh, love that. So now that I have the string in place, we are so good and snug. The ear tabs are a little too big, so I'm just gonna cut that out just like that. Take the wax stick. We ain't gonna do nothing spectacular. We don't need no baby hairs. We don't need none of that. Just straight. We're gonna come through that wax with our hot comb. And maybe what I had on, but today I don't have on anything spectacular. This is a gorgeous side part silky straight number, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it.